All right, so here we had created a database called whiteboard cs5610 online, and we can show what collections we have here. And it looks like we have a collection called quizzes, and I assume that we had stored a quiz earlier. Let's try and retrieve that quiz from the database. And the way we do that is by, again, all the commands start with db, followed by the name of the collection we want to interact with. In this case is quizzes. And then for retrieving the data, we can use the function called find. So we have find. There we go, find. It's a function, right? So we have open and curly parentheses. Now, if you don't provide any arguments to the function, the interpretation is that you're asking for all the documents, right? So let's see what documents we have. Notice that we have one document in there, right? It's the one we had inserted earlier using the quizzes.insert, right? So that's what we'd expect. That's great. Notice that we have the field title that we had added earlier, right? The title and then the value of that field. There we go. But now we notice that we have an additional field that we didn't insert, right? This underscore ID field, right? And notice that it starts with an underscore, meaning this is the underscore means that this is a field that is being managed by the infrastructure, by the database. So it is the database who really cares about this field, right? Also notice that it has this long kind of hexadecimal value to it, right? And it really is what you think it is, right? It's a primary key. It is a unique identifier that uniquely identifies this document, right? By default, the database will take care of creating these IDs, although you can create them yourself as well, right? You can own that primary key, and then it is your responsibility to make sure that it is unique. Okay.